Here is a basic video to solve equations involving natural logarithms. Enjoy the journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to solve four questions related to natural logarithms, ln, which is log to the base e. The four questions are before you. The strategy which we normally utilize to solve these questions is that if I write y equals to ln x, then to find the value of x or isolate x, we just take e to the power of y and e to the power of ln x. Now, natural log and e are inverse functions, and therefore we get e to the power of y as equal to x. So these are the basic steps which we need to adopt to solve these questions. Perfect. Second, as you know, as far as ln x is concerned, the value of x should be greater than 0. So that will give you restrictions to the solutions, or sometimes there can be extraneous roots. So you need to take care of that. So with this knowledge, I think we can solve these four questions very easily. They're very basic questions. In our playlist, we'll have more questions based on natural log and equations related to exponential functions to solve. I'd like you to watch some more videos from the playlist to really master these strategies. Well, those of you who want to learn directly from us, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, and we can be part of your success story. Now, let's begin with solution of these equations one by one. The very first one here is ln 2x is equal to 3. So we'll take e to the power of ln 2x, right, equals to e to the power of 3. You can write this in brackets also. Now, since natural log and e are inverse functions, we get 2x equals to e to the power of 3, or x is half of e to the power of 3. So I'm leaving this right now in this fashion, the exact value. You can always use calculator to find decimal value and round it to one or two decimal places as required. The next one here is ln. Within brackets, we have x minus 7 equals to 2. So you'll do e to the power of ln x minus 7 equals to e squared. And that means that ln and e is inverse function. So we get x minus 7 equals to e squared, or x equals to e squared plus 7, right? So that becomes the solution of the second equation. Now let's move on to the next two questions, which are 4 ln 2x equals to 12. So the equation is 4 ln 2x equals to 12. We can divide by 4 to isolate ln. ln 2x equals to 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And now take e to the power of ln 2x, and this should be equal to e cube. Or we can say 2x is equal to e cube, and so x is half of e cube. Makes sense, right? The last question. You can always pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my solutions, right? So we have ln square root of x plus 1 equals to 2. So e to the power of ln square root of x plus 1 equals to e to the power of 2, which is e squared. And that gives you square root of x plus 1 equals to e squared. You need to find x. So we'll isolate x for now, and we can rewrite this as e squared minus 1. Now, if you square both sides, you get x equals to e squared minus 1 whole square. Do you see that? So that becomes the solution. So we get x equals 2, you can also expand this e to the power of 4 minus 2 e square plus 1. Correct? So that becomes the solution of your last equation. Well, in case you really want to find decimal equivalents, use calculator and find the values. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.